olive oil, 1 chopped red onion, 3 chopped garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, spicy flakes, cumin, turmeric, ground ginger. Mix well. 350 grams blended plum tomatoes. Add a little bit of water. Simmer for 5 minutes. 250 grams chickpeas. A cup of the water from the chickpeas. Let's blend 1/3 of the chickpeas to water. Add the blended chickpeas. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add the rest of the chickpeas. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add the chopped parsley. Can be served with bread or rice. Into a blender, add 250 grams chickpeas, 250 grams sugar, 3 eggs, 3 yolks, 50 grams plain flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 10 milliliters vanilla extract, 35 grams melted butter, 1 sheet puff pastry. I got it from a supermarket. Place it tidy around the tray. Cut the excess around the edges. Make a few holes with a fork. Pour on top of puffy pastry. I am using the baking paper that came with the pastry. Plenty icing sugar. This will make the top very crispy. Bake at 180 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Looks amazing! Lovely!